she fought for feminism, and I don't think she limited it to Judaism. She was a rebel in that direction at a very early age. She was a rebel for her times. People did not believe, and still don't, that women can do anything men can do. And she went out to prove it. And she taught, and she fought for women's rights everywhere she went. And she went to quite a few places. And she was a feminist in the finest sense of the word, without being aggressive, which is a hard thing to do.